meal.
Took the bangles.
Yeah, 1500 took for jooty, kachori and bangles. 550 for every jooty. कि किसी को जूती लेने हैं तो जयपुर में कहाँ है? कहाँ है आपका पता तो बता दो.
मानसरोवर सांगानेर.
अच्छा और फैक्ट्री आउटलेट है.
550, 350, 250, 150.
आपने वो वाले तो दिखाई नहीं हमें.
150 वाले.
हाँ
बेकार है.
बेकार है खुद ही बोल रहे हैं बट 550 वाले लेके जाओ.
150 के लिए क्या है? यूज एंड थ्रो. अपने
Mahani Gayatri Devi by the King of Jaipur.
मुझे बिल्कुल काम नहीं करने का मन नहीं हो रहा बट जाना पड़े. हाय बोलोगे वीडियो के लिए? मारना मत बस. जयपुर ब्लॉग देखा है तो have a look at the room. You just look at the pool. I knew I would be back here and I knew I would be standing in this pool and add that reel and then this footage. I can मस्त आएगा. I will also watch what I eat, but I ate 4 raviolis which are fried. They were like, "Weren't you just in Udaipur like 2 minutes ago?" And I was like, "Yeah." And then the other person was like, "Weren't you just at this event like yesterday?" And I was like, "Yeah." And then some third person told me, "Aren't you omnipresent?" And I'm like, "Yeah, yeah, I am." She just called me omnipresent, yeah, which is why I'll remember. And आज मुझे लग रहा है अच्छी नींद आएगी. बिल्कुल आवाज़ नहीं है. ओह पिंक सिटी का पिंक व्यू ऑलरेडी आ रहा है. अब जयपुर में आपका स्वागत है. अब एवरीबडी आई एम हियर इन जयपुर एट द रामबाग एंड वी हियर विद द जयपुर वॉच कंपनी. सो ग्रैब अ स्नैक एंड स्टे ट्यून्ड. As you saw, and then I'm gonna go to Jaipur for another work trip. I'm really happy. Start कर रही हूँ, but just wanted to say PhonePe के साथ collab किया है, and that video is at 6.3 million views because they've run ads on it. And उसके पहले also the video did perform really well, so I'm really happy. But PhonePe के साथ collab किया, PhonePe का banner देख के एकदम खुशी सी हो रही है. Very happy. No, mine's at 7:55 boarding, so I'm just like 1 घंटा किल करना ही है, बैठ के एडिट कर लो.
Mine got delayed. Like,
Where are you going? Bombay to your work there?
no, I'm just going to see my friends.
I think it's the rains.
I'm no
जो वीडियो एडिट करना था मैं वो कर रही हूँ. भी रणवीर पे फ्लाइट की आवाज़ सुनाई दे के एकदम अन्ना जैसा लगा. That I like literally dreamt of this life of sitting at airports, editing, getting work done, wearing brands that actually send me stuff. Or Kiki London sent me this bag, Daniel gave me that watch, and I got this as a gift. And a lot of things are in life right now as a 24-year-old turning 25 next year actually feels like I get goosebumps saying this because I was just thinking on my way after I saw the PhonePe banner that I got paid more than what I got paid at my internship for a month just by one video. Like double of in a month. The 2 campaigns that I did basically got me more money than what I got paid at my previous publication. So it's definite, and plus I'm working a full-time job for which I am traveling and getting to do all these amazing things and like write articles and travel for a living and write and work with such cool brands for it. I love this. Like it's like I genuinely could not be more grateful and thankful because every aspect in my life is somehow working out and opportunities are flowing and things that are not meant for me are not happening maybe, and I am working towards some things that are still not happening considering the modeling etc. But like every time I look at a billboard of say Kriti and Varun or Jacqueline or like anybody or at the airport, I'm just like they're minting money because of that one picture that of their face, जिससे उन्हें publicity भी मिल रही है, पैसे भी मिल रहे हैं. मतलब yesterday also I was watching Shehzadi or something. I still need to complete that movie. If I'm editing this I will go take a break and do that, but it's like I know I haven't slept enough and बस मुझे ये British Airways का ऐसा फ्लाइट जाते हुए मज़ा, like I'm just loving being at the airport and doing things that my younger self dreamt of. And मुझे like I'm just feeling so warm in my heart that I'm making it happen for myself. It's obviously everything, parent support, every single thing. Like I see people who are a little fat and obese at the airport and then they're stuffing bread and cheese and everything and carrots and wo jo bhi hai puff mein fried everything in the morning like at 6-7. and I'm just so happy that my mom has taught me to start my days with अजवाइन का पानी, green juice, papaya, then coffee. पहले detox करो body को and have all these things. And इसलिए like today also I was like, no, I'm not gonna have coffee first. I'm gonna go and buy coconut water and have that. And that is just 130 rupees better spent than spending it on caffeine in the morning. Like I don't want to wake my system up with that much rage. But anyways, long talk. See you in Jaipur now. मैं बोल रही थी ना कि मेरी मम्मी मुझे इतना अच्छा खाना सिखाने का प्रयास करी है सिंस शी इज़ लाइक ईट फ्रूट्स नॉट फाइबर एंड फॉर योर गट ईट फाइबर बट या डोंट स्टार्व अदरवाइज गैस विल बी देयर. I know the model behind Priyadarshini for Raniwala jewelry and I met her and it just makes me feel like, I wish I also had done such campaigns. Anyways, one more journalist, Ashwini from the R Maker, is with me in the cab and airport, say 20 minutes away, Rambagh. I've been to Rambagh before. Story for when we reach there. Just waiting for my bags and understanding that travel बहुत ही ज़्यादा tough, tiring process होता है. Mainly because, and the worst part is you get to the airport 2 hours early and then you wait. बहुत जल्दी उठो तो मतलब रात को अगर लेट सोए हो या बीच में उठे हो या just a little conscious की flight miss नहीं होनी चाहिए work trip है, so it's not even on your own account. Anyways, I used my time well. I edited for an hour and then tinted windows edited all my B-rolls जो 10-10 4-4 मिनट के 5-6 रिकॉर्डिंग होते हैं उसे कंबाइन करके मेन पार्ट्स रखे, सेव किया इन शॉर्ट और इंस्टाग्राम पे, deleted the main videos ताकि स्टोरेज की जगह हो for this trip. And then after that जो अभी लास्ट शर्वरी वाला इंटरव्यू था उसका भी I mean whatever extra shots I took, beauty shots of when I got ready, finished that. तो बहुत चीज़ें कर दी है and इधर से व्लॉग शुरू होगा और इधर से आपको दिखेगा मेरी चपड़ शायद बंद हो जाएगी. So enjoy. We have lunch at 1 at the Botanist, so we'll check in, probably get changed and put some concealer so we look awake and get to the interview. अभी उदयपुर से आई थी और पिंक सूटकेस था तो अब मैं भूल गई कि मैं ब्लैक सूटकेस लेके आई तो माई आईज आर सर्चिंग फॉर अ पिंक सूटकेस दैट आई डिड नॉट इवन ब्रिंग. Been here like 7 times before. This is my first time visiting. Oh my god. Not literally just talking about. भाई मैंने सिर्फ नाम लिया and सामने this is. मैं बताऊँ स्टोरी. मैं जब लास्ट टाइम आई थी I sneaked into this property and I didn't pay a single penny and I remember I went and saw the rooms also, so this is just crazy that now I'm coming back here. You'll always be welcomed by just deep. No one could. I remember the street. Second.
One day I saw
लास्ट टाइम आई थी उससे ये तो बहुत काफ़ी डिफरेंट. आई जस्ट बिन टू उदय विलास, सो लिटरली माई experience of courtyards have been insane. Oh, I can probably take a shot of me running in this courtyard and get that shot with that reel. मस्त आएगा. I feel like उन्होंने gardening कुछ change किया है because last time ऐसा नहीं था. जब मैं fruity Disha, if you're watching this, when I came with you, when we sneaked into this palace with nothing to lose, and I'm just so happy that you've invited us this time. So it's being here for a legit reason. Like I clearly remember I had seen the restaurant here and we sat and we had water. Rajput. मैं नहीं बैठना था, so we're sitting outside for orange juice while our rooms are being prepared. Spa and the swimming pool is for residents only. We are looking. Oh my god! Oh my god! This is like the secret garden. This is what they talk about in movies. Actually, ऐसा लग रहा है कि that's all the peacocks you can hear in the background. And It does feel like royalty. I know why people pay a lakh a night to stay here. I mean, I've stayed at many properties now that charge a lakh per night. Atlantis, Coorg. But this time I can't wait for the check-in because for the first time will we see how it actually feels. Oh my god, this is beautiful. I am for sure coming for a swim. Am I in Venice, Italy or Spain? Of course. It just keeps getting better. Better and better. But I think outdoor से ज़्यादा तो indoor ही अच्छा है. TT caught in a palace. But meet Miss
Ashwini.
Full name बताओ.
Full name Ashwini Majwalkar.
आज सुबह मिले हैं. But she writes for, I was going to say Good Homes and then I realized Good Homes thing. She
No,
writes
I
for,
do social media for the Marker.
she's mainly into watches and we're here for Jaipur Watch Company. See, and we're waiting for a check-in with the last
We haven't still checked in. We're supposed to stay here only.
I need to give you a proper room tour. This is where we entered from and this is the, I don't know what suite or what place we booked, but इतनी जगह तो मुझे अकेले नहीं चाहिए. But I'm wow, just like I'm really happy I don't have to share this with anyone. Chase your मैं पाली से उठा रही है, बुआ घर से उठा रही है. ये मेरा रूम देखो, रूम देखो. Let me tell you what it is like to live the life of a. It's very cheap, but it's because the camera is here. I can't still see my face until I go down. Like this is my eye level. मतलब मेरा eye इधर end होता है. I can. This is the place that we were last time. We walk in heels. I just want to say, last trip in Udaipur, I didn't have the guts to vlog properly. ऐसे मुंह खोल के जो मन में आए बोल रहे हो. But in this Jaipur trip, I'm really gonna try and make you meet new people. So stay tuned for that. The botanist at Rambagh. Actually, हो जाते हैं. This is so pretty.
Know the hours getting late.
Vegetarian ravioli and
Basically grill counter.
the sorted vegetables. Everyone, I just got done with lunch, didn't eat too much. But I saw someone else who said that they had an upset stomach and they are trying to watch what they eat. And I do not want to be partaking in that the former activities. So I don't know why I'm saying that. Just wearing a white top, white shorts, and itinerary is so packed that we have to head in the next 2 minutes to the lobby and then we go to a courtyard which I'll show you. But I'm so tired. Everyone who I met, literally I met 5 people who knew me. I forgot 2 people's names. I don't remember who they are, but I know that they know me. And because technically I'm everywhere. Like right now I was posting stories. I was मुंबई के होटल का डालूँ, जयपुर के चेक इन का डालूँ, उदयपुर का कंटेंट मैं क्या कर रही हूँ. मैं थक गई हूँ वीडियो एडिट करके in between flights, updating stories, writing articles in real time, making notes, attending things like these and networking. I am so grateful. I'm not complaining. But this is the flip side that people usually overlook. It is not all fun and games on a work trip. And you have a lot of deliverables to quote unquote finish. So, आज तो लॉन्च डिनर भी है शाम को, लगने वाली है. See you. Basically, we went on like a school trip wala bus. A lot of notes. You can see a peacock just puzzling his or her feathers and everything for my articles. I was using my work phone. Just wanna go take a quick dip, get back, change. Yeah. The records say that I always get what I want. This genuinely feels like I'm in Milan because Milan had similar interiors like this yellow wall and then this blue, stunning blue water. Just love it. I love light blue. Just so positive. Love it. Back lighting, front lighting. I've done 9 more to go.
Right here beside me. This isn't how it's supposed to be. Wish you would stay. Stay here right with me. I can't shake that feeling that we said goodbye too soon.
I cannot lethally stress the importance of actually taking out the time for myself. I knew I had only half an hour and everyone took a nap in that time before the gala dinner, but I chose to swim because I wanted to enjoy the pool and the property and I knew I was not coming back here to stay. ज़्यादा मज़ा आ गया है स्विम करके, मैं समझा नहीं सकती क्योंकि ये मुझे खुद करना था और टाइम टेबल में थैंक यू शी इज़ गॉटन her degree. What did you say, guys? Do you mind coming in the video?
No, that's okay.
So she told me the history about the pool and Maharani Gayatri Devi ka pool tha.
So it was built and gifted to Maharani Gayatri Devi by the King of Jaipur, Man Singh. So we say Sawai Man Singh.
Correct.
So his name used to be Man Singh. That's why we call it with the respect Sawai Man Singh. And it was gifted and built inside and gifted.
छोटी थी, मुझे पीकॉक बनना था फैंसी ड्रेस कंपटीशन में, बट मेरी टीचर ने मना कर दिया था बिकॉज आई वाज टू टॉल. सो दैट इज़ जस्ट वन थिंग, ब्लॉगिंग इन पब्लिक, हु इज शी. बट दैट वाज द वन रीज़न दैट दे वर लाइक तुम्हें देखने के लिए गर्दन और ऊंची करनी पड़ेगी. एंड पीकॉक ऑलरेडी ऊंची होता है, तो इट looking at peacocks here just live in their fashion heels. I mean थोड़ा दर्द तो हुआ था जब मुझे टीचर ने बोला. अभी ये पीकॉक ने इधर से उधर छलांग मारी है, प्रोसेस ही नहीं हो रहा. Like you're so heavy as a bird, how the fuck did you manage to do that from here? This cone, mind blowing. And you look so good while doing it.
Have been spotted on the wrist of many celebrities, including the Prime Minister of India, Honorable Shri Narendra Modi. That's the collection Gourmet Jaipur, under which there are two products we are unveiling today. Let's just step out. You'll see two beautiful collections playing.
You'll see Avalon. Iconic watches have been placed here, so you guys can have a look here also.
ये सबसे रियल वाली फिल्में हैं.
We can give to any of our iconic collections because
This is what we're having dinner. Time.
I've reduced.
अच्छा, मैंने ना अभी इतनी सही वाली चीज़ की है जो आई एम वेरी प्राउड ऑफ बिकॉज आई लर्न दिस इन उदयपुर, दैट अनलेस यू आस्क फॉर थिंग्स टू बी गिवन टू यू बिफोर टाइम, you will not get it. सब मजाक उड़ा रहे थे, अरे only you have the course on, nobody on the whole dying floor has this course, only you got it first because I asked for it. Learn to ask for things. Please take this as a sign. Whatever you want, ask for it. Manaswini also on the trip said, if you want something, ask it from the people who can actually give it to you and it will happen. Be in their mind. And I just kept very basic example, like even if you keep telling the waiter that you want to eat at a certain time and get done with dinner and go and rest, do not sit through a 6-course meal waiting for everyone to get done and the next course to come and being too sweet to the waiter. Like sometimes it's okay, just like voice out your needs and you shall be heard. That's all. To my room, gonna go back, change and crash. Cannot tell you how much I need to sleep tonight. Alone in this gigantic room and this is my ceiling view. ना बज रहा है पल पल दिल के पास. Everything's packed.
और दिखा
This
दे
has
बेटा.
no left, no right.
ये तो हम क्या एक्स्ट्रा में बनवाते हैं.
हाँ, मिल गया मेरा size at least.
16 नंबर में और दे.
Pink and silver. Trying on these.
घर में नौकर वोकर होता है ना, उनको देने के लिए
But
अच्छा नहीं रहता. अच्छी क्वालिटी अपने लिए ले रहे हो तो अच्छी क्वालिटी. 500 कोई ज्यादा नहीं है. अब ये ना आप लोकल बाजार में जाना,
नहीं मिलेगा, बहुत
ये
महंगा मिलेगा.
900 रुपए मिलेंगे आपको. ये चीज मेरा कहीं नहीं मिलेगा.
खरबूजा वर्क.
हाँ, ये देखो कलर.
I love this. Yeah.
हाँ, ठीक है.
Price. I overpaid for my bangles. Per bangle was like around 1500. So I just overpaid there, but we have juti, kachori and bangles. In Jaipur, all the bangles I finally ended up getting. Or jutis that I bought. Checking. Got my period very unpredictably, but we reached home. Managed to get home, but Trip was very fun. I'm just really tired and I am in pain. But I like Shaz. Buy fruit and banana. Don't do पैसा. She knows me so well. मुझे इतना केयरिंग बनना है यार किसी के लिए कि कोई ऐसे मैसेजेस डाले मुझे, मैं किसी को ऐसे मैसेजेस डालूँ एक दिन.